If you've ever sat down at your computer, ready to dive into work or revisit important memories, only to realize your files from your desktop, documents, or pictures folders are missing, don't panic. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through the smartest ways to recover lost files on Windows, including clever tricks for tracking down files across OneDrive and your local PC. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to look, what features to use, and how to maximize your chances of getting those files back safely. Let's get right into it. The very first thing you should do is check the recycle bin, both for OneDrive and for your local PC. Deleted files often aren't gone forever right away. Instead, they take a quick pit stop in the recycle bin. If you use OneDrive, especially for work or school, head over to OneDrive Live.com in your web browser and sign in. On the left, you'll see the recycle bin option. Go ahead and give that a click. Take your time scanning through the list. Sometimes files have odd names or you may not recognize folders immediately, so don't rush this step. If you spot the files you're missing, simply select them and click Restore. They'll pop back into their original locations, almost like you never deleted them at all. Don't forget about your local recycle bin. On your desktop, you should spot the classic recycle bin icon. Give it a double click. Browse through the deleted files here in the same way. When you see your lost files, right-click and select Restore. Windows will put them right back where they were deleted from, maybe your desktop, documents, or pictures folder. If you've been sharing your PC with family members, let them know you're about to restore files. Sometimes things go missing without anyone realizing it. Now, if your files aren't in either recycle bin, it's time for a more thorough search. We'll use File Explorer's search feature, which can be a real lifesaver, especially if you aren't quite sure where you saved that important document or which folder you might have misplaced that family photo in. Open up File Explorer, just press Windows key plus E if you need the shortcut, then click on this PC in the left panel. Now in the top right corner there's a search bar. Here you can type the file's name, or if you only remember the file type, try searching for kind, document, kind, picture, or even just a keyword you recall. Searching the entire PC might take a few moments, so don't worry if you see that loading spinner. It's scouring every nook and cranny for your lost file. Alongside your PC, don't overlook your actual OneDrive folder on your device. This is usually located under C/users and then your username. Open the OneDrive folder and scan through desktop, documents, and pictures here too, because sometimes files may have copied or synced there instead of staying local. Tip: take a look at the little icons next to your files. A green check means the file is downloaded and available offline, while a blue cloud means it's only online. If you spot files with a blue cloud, you'll need an internet connection to open or download them. Now, in some cases, files are deleted and you catch it a little late. If you have a Microsoft 365 subscription, you've got one final ace up your sleeve: the Restore Your OneDrive feature. This is a powerful recovery tool tucked away in the OneDrive settings online. It lets you rewind your entire OneDrive a whole 30 days into the past, a bit like turning back the clock after a mistake. So if you suspect files disappeared recently, don't hesitate to use this. It can bring back multiple files and even whole folders in bulk, saving tons of stress. And that's it. Finding missing files can feel overwhelming, but with these steps, you've got a roadmap for tracking things down, restoring the important documents you need, and breathing a big sigh of relief. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up. And if you've got questions or a tricky situation I didn't cover, drop a comment below. I read every one. To catch even more helpful tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe. Good luck, and I hope you find everything you're looking for.